Hi there. As a sales rep for a window blinds business, I love helping my customers find the perfect solution and doing it quickly. But with my old approach, it felt almost impossible. Even prioritizing appointments was a nightmare until I used Blind Matrix Smart Calendar. Now, managing my schedule is effortless, with the route optimizer guiding me to the best routes and customer visits for a smooth day. Also, there were days when I'd carry stacks of catalogs and spreadsheets everywhere. It was exhausting. Now, with the Blind Matrix app, I just need one device to showcase our entire product range, making everything much easier. I used to wrestle with creating accurate quotes on the spot, but those days are gone. With the Blind Matrix mobile app, I now generate quotes instantly, complete with product pictures. It's fast, clear, and customers get everything they need right away, making my job so much easier. Also, maintaining service records was never easy. Now, with Blind Matrix, I can capture photos, add notes, and get digital signatures, streamlining the entire process. Even sending purchase orders used to be a time-consuming task. With Blind Matrix, I can now send orders directly via EDI to the suppliers with just one click, right from the customer's place. These are just a few of the many amazing ways Blind Matrix has transformed how we work on site. Overall, the software has dramatically simplified all our on-site tasks. We're now more organized than ever, and our customers are delighted with the swift and efficient service we provide. This was only possible after I started using Blind Matrix. If you're facing the same challenge of managing your daily tasks as a sales rep, reach out to sales at blindmatrix.com for a complete software walkthrough. It made a real difference for me, and it can for you too.